And we're recording. Okay, Walmart, Coca-Cola, Nestle, and Pepsi said that they would donate bottles of water for school children in Flint to help with the city's public health crisis over the lead contaminated water. On January 26th, the company said that they were planning to collectively donate water to meet daily needs of over 10,000 school children for the balance of the school year. To do so, the companies will send 176 truckloads of water, up to 6.5 million bottles to Flint. How do we know how much water will be enough to meet the daily needs of Flint school children until December 31st? So this is a whole year, January 26th to December 31st. Is the company's plan a good one? Why or why not? I think it's pretty clear.
Okay.
So let me Google some things. Oh, I hate that I can't see you now. Okay. I guess I could if I did it like this. Okay, now we got it. So let's see. The school population, right? We weren't given that. It just says over 10,000. But I feel like there'd be more. Let's see. This says, what page am I on? That the total population, that's 2019. Well, maybe I'll just stick with 10,000 for right now. Daily water intake. Okay. That's a lot. So okay. How many bottles of water should a child drink a day? School-age children are 5 to 17, 18. So this gives me 4 to 8-year-old boys and girls should drink 7 bottles. 9 to 13-year-old girls should drink 9 and boys should drink 10, so we can say 9.5. And 14 to 18-year-old girls should drink 10 and boys should drink 14, so we'll say 12 just to average. 7 and 12 is 19, which would be 28.5. I did that wrong. 7 plus 12 plus 9.5, 28.5. So 28.5 bottles of water per day times, it says over 10,000, but if I use 10,000, I can estimate if it would work. So times 10,000 children is 285,000 bottles per day for all school children, or we'll say all school children. And there's times But are they just doing it during the school year? Or are they doing it for the whole year? If they're doing it for the entire year, 285,000 times 365. 365 minus, is it on the 26th or is it the 25th? 26th. So that would be 365 minus 25. Because they're doing it on the 26th day. So 340, 285,000 times 340, 96. Because how many zeros are in a million? Oh, that's a lot bigger than that number.
What'd you get?
96.9 million bottles. If you're doing the whole year.
Mm-hmm.
But if you're only doing school days, how many weeks are in a school year? On average, there are between 175 to 180 days of school in a year. So if we do we always had a lot more than 180 days. So I'm going to say 180, even though the first 25 days of January are not. So 285,000 times 180. That's still a lot more. That's 51.3 billion
Dang.
bottles of water. So it's not a good plan. They would not be meeting the daily needs for all of the children, especially if there's over 10,000 children in the school.
Mm-hmm.
I guess I answered part B first. Well, part A, how much water would be enough to meet the daily needs of the school children would be the average number of the bottles of water that children should drink. Oh, that I didn't even do average. Sorry, Todd. Ooh.
You'll get a kick out of that one.
I hope so. Okay, 28.5 divided by 3 is 9.5. Oh, that really changes things. Times 10,000. 9.5 bottles of water average per student, which would be 95,000 bottles of water per day for all school children, which would be, if they're only doing it in the school year, 17.1 million. I'm not even going to do the other one the rest of the year because it's still not enough. And I would think that they're only really doing it during the school year. I mean, I guess we could. Times 340. $95,000 times 340. If they're doing it for the whole year, they'd need 32.3 thousand million.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, final answers.
Okay,
How do we know? How do we know how much water will be enough to meet the daily needs? 9.5 bottles of water daily, which would be 95,000 bottles of water for 10,000 children, but there's more than 10,000 children. Part B, no, it's not a good plan because they need a significant amount more given to meet the daily needs.
Cool.
Final answers.
Okay, love it. All right, I'll show
Okay,
you.
I'm gonna stop recording.